Hello guys, welcome to this channel, and in this video we are going to learn how to fix Facebook code generator not sending. So if your Facebook code generator not sending SMS code, this is what you have to do. So first of all, you have to search for your Facebook account. So when you find your Facebook account, this is my Facebook account. As you can see, just use your finger to tap on it for some while and you are going to see this pop-up. And when you find this pop-up, what you have to do is to tap on app info. So tap on app info and you are going to be in Facebook app info on your phone. So as you can see, what you have to do is to tap on the first stop, then you tap on OK. After that, tap on storage and cache, then let it open. When it opens, tap on clear cache, then after that go back. Then now what you have to do is to tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi and make sure this background data is toggled on. So turn it on like this, then you go back. Lastly, tap on notification, so make sure your show notification is also toggled on. So after doing all this, what you have to do is to go to your Google Play Store. So when you tap on your Google Play Store, just type in Facebook. So type in FB. So when you type in Facebook, tap on the Facebook app, and as you can see, it has not been updated. So you have to get the latest updates of Facebook. So you tap on the Facebook, then you make sure you get the latest update of Facebook. So after updating your Facebook app, what you have to do is you have to restart your device. So just tap on your power button for some while, then you tap on your so guys, so guys, let's continue. Tap on your power button for some while, tap on restart button, then you tap on OK, and this is going to fix this problem. If this doesn't work, what you have to do is to, first of all, you have to go to your Facebook app info again, then you tap on the storage, then you tap on clear storage, then you tap on OK, and after that you restart your device and make sure you have the latest update of this Facebook app. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe, like, and also share this video. This is how to fix Facebook code generator not sending. If it doesn't work, just let me know in my comment section and I'm going to do a different video for you. There are a whole lot of tricks. I don't want this video to be long, so if this trick doesn't work for you, just let me know in my comment section.